in this part we are going to see how we can make our own middleware. But before making our own middleware, inside my users table I need one column with the name of users type, so I can add the user type inside my database to check if the user is admin or customer or the user is the seller. So we can display each page based on the user type. For example, right now doesn't matter what's the user type. If they are logged in, they can see all the pages, but I want to make it like this, that so that the admin can see the categories and brands, but the seller or customer can see only the products, not the categories and brands. So let's go and add a new column inside our users table with the name of type. So let's create a new migration, php artisan make migration, add user type to users table, person table. Let's make it a string and call it type, make the label false, and the default should be customer. That's it. Now let's run the migration. Let's add it after the email. So here type after email. Okay, let's run our migration. php artisan migrate. Okay, so let's refresh. Okay, so our type has been added. Let's change this user to admin. Right now I will change it manually. So now let's click apply. Okay, so our user one is the admin and this user is the customer. Now let's go and create our own middleware. To create a middleware, in the terminal we will type php artisan make middleware space, then give it a name. So in my case I will check if the user is admin or not, so I will call this middleware is admin middleware. Enter. Okay, our middleware has been created. Now if I go inside my app http middlewares, here is my middleware is admin middleware. Now inside the handle method I will check if auth user type is equal to admin, then return next, else return redirect to let's if the user is the admin we will allow him, otherwise if the user is not admin we will redirect him back to our products page or any page it comes. So in my case let's say products. Now our middleware is ready. So to use this middleware inside any route, and you can directly call it. So for example in here I want to call my is admin middleware. I just I will convert this to array, and in here I will type is admin middleware class. That's it. Now only the admin can see the list of brands. So and one more important thing, that my id directly automatically added this class in the top. So remember to add your class in the top. Now let's go and in the brand click brands. As you guys can see I can access it because I'm currently logged in as a user one in this browser. Let me bring it here. I'm not logged in currently, so let's go and log in as this customer. So paste it here, type the password, Now if I go to the brands, so let's close these. Now if I go to brands, I will redirect back to the products page, but I can go to categories, and again if I click to the brand, it will redirect me to the products page. I can add this middleware to all the groups. So instead of typing it in the or just auth, I will change this here to is admin middleware colon class. Now no need to add it separately to all the links. Okay, now let's go back. Let's type here brand slash create. Again I got redirected back to the products page, but if I log in as user 1, click brands, I can access it, I can create a brand, I can delete a brand, all the things I can do. But if I am a customer, I cannot do anything inside the brands. So this is how we can create our own middleware in Laravel, and this is how you can use it inside your route.